Hey guys, this is called the mirror effect. To do this, upload your video or image. In my case, I will use a video and adjust the clip length to 5 seconds. I don't need the audio for this tutorial, so I will delete that. Next, right-click on the video and select Open in Fusion page. Go to the Fusion page, click on Media in One, and add a text. As you can see, a merge node automatically connected all 3 nodes. Now click on Text, and on the Inspector panel, type your word or phrase. This is also where you adjust the text size and font style. Click on the square button and drag around to arrange the position. Once you are happy with it, while the text node is selected, press Ctrl-C, click anywhere on the grid, and press on Ctrl-V. Now connect this text node to Media in One to create another merge. From here, click on the Merge To node, then go to the Inspector panel and click on the vertical flip button. Now that the text copy is inverted, click on the square icon and drag the text just below the original one to make it look like a reflection. After this, go to Settings and adjust the blend to 0.5. What we want to do here is to make the text look a bit softer. To do that, click on the second text, then add a rectangle. This shape will function as a mask. Select the rectangle node and pull down the rectangle from the viewport. As you can see, an area has disappeared, but this is okay. Now, go to the Inspector panel and adjust the soft edge. Go back to the editor page and check if you like how it looks. And there you have it, a mirror or reflection effect. Thank you for watching and see you next week.